د پاکستان ډیر محترم صدر جناب عمران خان او د هغوی سره راتلونکي مل هیئت افغانستان ته ښه راغلاست. خدای مو راوله. I would be honored to accept your invitation to visit the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Thank you for coming, and thanks to all your colleagues for their very productive and constructive engagement. Mr. Prime Minister.
President Ghani, first of all, thank you for your invitation to visit Kabul. I had been planning for at least 50 years to visit Afghanistan and Kabul, but it never happened. So I'm pleased that you invited me and I had an opportunity to visit this historic city.
To accept your invitation to visit Pakistan. Thank you.